What are you guys doing?
We're catching butterflies. Yeah.
There's a lot.
I gotta put one this
Look at these little girls. You guys catching any?
Mom, Daddy, I got one in my pocket.
How did he get in your pocket? How did he get in your pocket?
Well, I put it in there.
Taylor, did you get one?
Yeah.
Where is
I got
it?
two.
Where is it?
I let it go.
Why? Okay, go have fun. Addie, let me see this one in your pocket. Are you sure he's in there?
Yeah.
Addie, there's a lot more you can go get. Just be gentle with him, okay?
And just.
Hey, turn around so I can see what you're catching.
I'm catching dragonflies. Now I catch two.
There are a lot
I got one.
of lightning bugs everywhere. Hey, psst, turn around. Let me see.
I got four now.
Let me see them.
Hey.
Oh, you got that one. Did you get one? Oh, you did get some. You got some. You gonna show mommy?
Yeah.
There, hold on. Come here, come here, come here.
Huh?
I think they're glowing in your pocket.
Eddie, go now!
They're glowing in your pocket. Hold right still. Hold still. Hold still. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Go show mom.
Okay.